Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a new video for you. In this video, I am going to show you modern TV unit design ideas for living room. A well-crafted TV unit is an elegant piece of furniture on its own. A focal point of the living room furniture, the TV cabinet enhances the viewing experience. Our multifunctional TV cabinets are good for storage, display and utilize spaces better. It is important to go for a TV unit design that appeals to your sensibilities, fits a certain space and offers enough room for your curious and media unit. Browse through our widest range of beautifully designed open and closed TV units to find one that personifies your style, meets your criteria and adds to your beautiful home. At Rivaj Woodwork and Furniture, we understand the importance of finding the right TV unit to complement your unique style and enhance the ambience of your living space. TV cabinets are not only a functional piece of furniture but also a stylish addition to your living room. With ample storage space hidden behind sleek doors, you can keep your media equipment, DVDs and accessories neatly organized and out of sight. Choose from a variety of designs including a traditional wooden TV cabinets design or modern units with glass accents to suit your decor style. Make a statement with living room TV cabinets that combine elegance and practicality. Featuring glass doors and display shelves, a TV showcase allows you to showcase your television as well as your favorite decor pieces. Whether you prefer a classic design with intricate detailing or a contemporary unit with clean lines, our collection offers a variety of options to suit your taste. A TV stand is a versatile and functional choice for any living room. With its simple yet sturdy design, bedroom TV cabinets provide a stable base for your television while offering open shelving or drawer for storage. Choose from a range of materials and finishes such as wood, metal or glass to complement your existing furniture and decor. Add a touch of modern sophistication to your living room with a sleek and streamlined TV console designed to hold your television and media components. Pictures of TV cabinets often feature clean lines, a minimalist design, and integrated storage solution. Whether you prefer a low profile design, or a floating console. Our collection has something for every style. A TV table offers versatility and functionality, serving as both a television stand and a coffee table or piece. Choose from a range of designs, from rustic wooden tables and contemporary glass models, to complement your decor and suit your space requirements. With its dual-purpose design, a TV table is a practical and stylish addition to any home. Maximize space in your living room with a corner TV stand, which is specifically designed to fit into tight corner and optimize room layout. Despite its spacing-saving design, a corner TV stand offers ample storage and display options, making it a practical choice for small living spaces or awkwardly shaped rooms. Create a modern and visually striking look with hanging modern TV cabinets that mount directly to the wall. By floating your television, a hanging TV stand frees up valuable floor space and adds a contemporary touch to your room. With its minimalist design and clean lines, a hanging TV stand is perfect for those who prefer a sleek and uncluttered aesthetics. No matter which type of TV unit you choose, you can trust Rewaj Woodwork and Furniture to provide quality craftsmanship, stylish design, and functional features to enhancing your home decor and elevate your entertainment experience. Explore our collection today and find the perfect TV unit to suit your style and space.